Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to take a look inside Drake's insane jewelry collection. Let's get right into it. We get amped up when we listen to hip-hop. Hip-hop music is known for its partying, dancing, and clubbing, and as a result, it may be incredibly personal, allowing us to experience feelings that other genres couldn't even come close to. This kind of feeling can be achieved by just a few rappers, but Drake is one of them. Drake, a Toronto native, has become an international sensation thanks to his high-quality production, infectious beats, and intimate lyricism. And simply by looking at him, you can tell he's famous. He's no stranger to the hip-hop industry's most in-your-face accoutrements, which include icing out his neck, wrists, and fingers. It's natural to aspire to the status of one of hip-hop's most revered artists, but shelling out tens of thousands of dollars on gold necklaces and pendants isn't. Let's take a peek at Drake's arsenal of drip. The OVO Owl Necklace. According to some, Drake has the finest jewelry collection in all of fashion. That he started his own jewelry brand, OVO, may be the aptest metaphor for his entrepreneurial spirit. In spite of the fact that his jewelry appears to be quite conventional, the initial owl pendant he designed was as large as his hand. The pendant was made from over a kilo of gold and over 100 carats of pure diamond, according to the jeweler who made it. A 1-carat diamond may cost anywhere from $1,000 to $12,000, so it's easy to estimate how much this giant necklace cost him. Praying hand pendant. They are a terrific method to swiftly and efficiently show off your personal flair. The gem-studded surface of Drake's owl pendant contributes significantly to its allure. With the praying hand pendant, you can get a similar style that is guaranteed to draw attention on the street. With the usage of diamond simulants, you'll be sure to create a statement without racking up a large price tag. Cubic zirconia and other diamond-like stones are so closely replicated in appearance that no one will ever be able to tell the difference. The Cartier bracelet. It's hard to argue with Cartier as the most recognizable sign of richness and success. Cartier pieces, made popular by rappers like Kanye West and Cardi B, have become wardrobe mainstays. Another well-known wearer of a Cartier diamond bracelet is none other than rapper Drake. Custom crafted solid gold band with diamonds all the way around was manufactured by Cartier for him. It's certainly a beautiful piece of jewelry. Considering that a standard Cartier diamond bracelet costs $42,000, we can't even begin to guess how much Drake spent on his bespoke fit. It's possible that you can have the same flavor without spending a fortune. Iced band bracelet. To put it another way, replica Cartier bracelets are readily available and they look just as good. Because of its resemblance to the actual iced band bracelet, one may assume that Drake himself is wearing one, and you don't have to worry about a decrease in quality due to the inexpensive price tag. A flawless VVS diamond simulant is utilized in this model, which means that the gems are of the highest grade according to the evaluation scale of the Gemological Institute of America. The ski mask Cupid chain. The gold chain is the first thing that springs to mind when discussing hip-hop attire. Even so, Drake's gold chains stand out from the crowd. 75 carats of pure diamond and almost half a kilogram of pure gold are used in this custom-made ski mask Cupid pendant. It costs a whopping $300,000 to purchase. Despite the fact that this pendant is extremely specific to Drake, the chain and amulet may be easily matched. Baguette Cuban chain in white gold. The white gold complements the diamond's radiance well when worn on an iced-out chain like this. A chain so impressive, Champagne Papi himself would be envious of it. In terms of the jewelry, it may be tough to locate something as precise as Drake's ski mask Cupid, but if you're in love with the pendant design and want to make it your own, you may do so. Because they employ the same high-quality simulants as the other non-customizable options, these custom designs have a distinct advantage over the competition. For a fraction of the price, you may display your individuality. The heart necklace. As if the Toronto rapper hadn't already gone beyond with his jewelry purchases, he just spent $1 million on a diamond heart necklace. Yes, you heard that right. It's possible that this necklace is the most costly in the game right now, as Drake shelled out 7 figures for it. When it was finished, it had more than 100 carats of pure diamond. One of the most famous rappers of all time, Drake, enjoys flaunting his status. Champagne Papi's collection of pricey jewelry includes anything from championship rings to $1 million diamond necklaces. There's no need to follow suit simply because he does. For a fraction of the price, diamond simulants and gold plating procedures allow you to buy high-quality jewelry at a lower price. When it comes to jewelry, you don't have to spend 6 figures on your next piece unless it's part of God's plan, or you've got money stashed away somewhere in the hereafter. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.